Good morning to all of you. Yes, I am continuing the last part which you have studied. That is called differentiation. Okay. So in last we have studied the various types of differential equation to get their solution by their different kinds of methods. Okay. So see here the next example. They are to find the integrating factor of differential equation. Okay. तर मग डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनचं इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर आपण कसा फाइंड करायचा दॅट वी हॅव टू स्टडी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you should know which is type of their differential equation. Okay, so here in this initially I write their problem. An integrating factor of the differential equation x into dy by dx plus log of x, that is equals to e raised to x into x raised to tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x upon y is there. Is. So it means that to find the integrating factor of their differential equation. So their differential equation is given in yes, non-linear form. You have to convert there to linear. And how you convert there to linear? Yes, by interchanging their terms. They are from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, or shifting their terms from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS is there. Okay. So here, what is that x? We don't want their x because we know here the linear form of differential equation, that is dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Okay, dy by dx equals to dy by dx plus py is equals to q. So actually there is what x by y dy by dx plus log of x is equals to e raised to x into x tan inverse of y tan inverse of x upon y is. मतलब इसी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का आप लोगों को इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करना है. तो पहले तो आप लोगों को क्या चाहिए यहाँ पे, मल्टीप्लाइंग थ्रू आउट दिस डिफरेंशियल बाय y by x से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. And when you multiply through the differential by y by x, so it takes the form. कौन सा फॉर्म आप लोगों को मिलेगा? देखो, y by x से अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे तो dy by dx प्लस, तो अगर आप इसी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को y by x से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं मतलब क्या होगा? x by y कैंसिल होगा, प्लस y by x मतलब log ऑफ x अपॉन x इंटू वाई. y by x से अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो y by x से मतलब y कैंसिल होगा. यस, देयर रिमेन x ओनली. सो e रेज टू x इंटू x tan इनवर्स ऑफ x. इसी टाइप का डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन मिलेगा. एंड ऑलरेडी यू आर नोन दैट द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सो बिसाइड दैट स्टेप्स आई राइट हियर the standard form of linear for your reference only. So dy by dx plus py, that is equals to q. ये standard form होता है. And in this standard form, what is p and q are functions of x. p and q हे काय असतात? Function of x असतात. So in this kind of linear, so what about their integrating factor? We'll obtain by using their standard formula, that is e raised to इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ p इंटू dx. ये क्या होता है? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला होता है. सो दिस इज व्हाट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला टू गेट देयर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर. सो ओनली टू फाइंड देयर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर ऑफ दैट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. एंड दिस इज व्हाट लीनियर. अगर ये लीनियर होता है तो इसी का आप इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? सो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इज क्या होगा रे? इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इज e to the power integration of dy by x plus py is equals to q. What about their p? Log of x upon x. And q e raised to x, x tan inverse of x. And both are functions of x. ये दोनों भी functions of x होते हैं. So p की वैल्यू क्या होते हैं? Log of x upon x. Okay. Log of x upon x into dx. Log of x upon x into dx. ये मिलेगा देखो. And how to find the solution of this integral? This will obtain by substituting. Yes, काय substitute करायचं सांगा? Log of x is equals to t. Log of x is equals to t. Differentiating here on both the sides. Log का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 1/x और x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? dx. That is equals to dt मिलेगा. So 1/x dx is already there. Madam, 1/x dx is equals to dt. So it takes the form e to the power integration of काय असणार सांगा? 1/x dx is what dt and log of x is what t. मतलब t into dt is there. So do you know their integration of? Yes, t into dt. That is what e raised to t square upon 2. बरोबर है ना? तो t की व्हॅल्यू क्या होती? log of x होता है. So e raised to t ची व्हॅल्यू काय असेल? log of x whole square upon 2 is there. बरोबर है ना? क्या मिलेगा आप लोगों को? e raised to टी स्क्वायर बाय 2 ना, टी का इंटीग्रेशन टी स्क्वायर बाय 2. टी स्क्वायर बाय 2 आप कैसे लिखोगे? यस, व्हाट इज दैट? यस, 1/2 इंटू लॉग ऑफ एक्स होल स्क्वायर. तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? दैट इज ई रेस टू 1/2 इंटू log of x whole square is there. Log of x whole square is there. Okay, log of x whole square. So log of x whole square means what? Log of x into log of x. आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. And you know here n log m अपन कसं लिहितो रे? या यहाँ पे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. देखो n log m, n log m आप कैसे लिखोगे? यस, log of हाफ कीप एज इट इज. n log m मतलब log of m रेस टू n, log of m रेस टू n. तो आप यहाँ पे कैसे लिखोगे? यस, log of, पहले यहाँ पे देखो हाफ इंटू log x क्या होता है? n log m मीन्स व्हाट? log of x रेस टू हाफ. Log of x raised to half is there. Log of x raised to half. That is equals to, you know, here e raised to half into log of x raised into log of x means n log m. Log of m raised to n मतलब क्या होगा? Log of x असणार whole raised to log x होणार. This is by yes logarithmic log n log m. असं आपण कसं लिहिणार? log of m raised to n मतलब ये इंडेक्स में जाता है. And you know here e raised to half into log of x raised to log x, and once again you know half into log x means n log m means log of m raised to m. तो ये आप कैसे लिखोगे? e raised to log of x raised to half and raised to क्या होगा रे? log of x. तो ये क्या होता है? सही ऑप्शन होता है. So हा काय असेल? करेक्ट ऑप्शन असेल. And that is called the integrating factor. Sometimes they may provide their options in the form of e raised to log of x whole square upon 2 or e raised to log of x raised to half whole raised to log x. हा असेल. एक तर हा ऑप्शन असेल किंवा हा ऑप्शन असेल. दोनों में से एक ऑप्शन यहाँ पे हो सकता है टू गेट देयर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर. बरोबर आहे ना? येस, यू कम इन देयर नेक्स्ट. See here the next example. Here in next example, what they have given, if y is equals to x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus and so on up to infinity. Question is that to find dy by dx. यहाँ पे भी आप लोगों को ऐसे लगेगा ये प्रॉब्लम लेंदी है. This also lengthy to get their differential. This also lengthy to get their differential, but not lengthy. It's simple. That depends on your observation. So what is that angle of observation you are applying? There on function, it is most important. Okay. Yes, you come in their solution. अगर आप solution में आ रहे तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? Let y is equals to. अगर y की वैल्यू आप कैसे लिख रहे हैं? x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube. So first term keep as it is. X cube plus and 1 upon, yes, x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube plus and so on infinity. It is nothing but y, na? Yes, it has infinite number of terms. They are in the form of 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube plus y is equals to x cube plus 1 by y. ऐसे मिलेगा आप लोग. Yes, y is equals to x cube plus 1 by y. But in this example, they require their value of dy by x or to find their value of dy by x. So y is function of x, मतलब y क्या? Whole term is function of x. Also y is also function of x. Means whole term is function of x. Whole term is function of x. So differentiating on both the sides with respect to x. म्हणजेच काय होईल? dy by dx. So derivative of sum is equals to sum of their derivative. मतलब हर टर्म का डेरिवेटिव क्या करना? सेपरेटली फाइंड करना. म्हणजे सेपरेटली फाइंड आउट करायचं. What is derivative of index function? What is that derivative of index function? So x raised to n is what? n into x raised to n minus 1. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा आप लोगों को? x cube into 3x square. And 1 by y का डेरिवेटिव मीन्स what? y raised to minus 1. y raised to minus 1 का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? -1 into y raised to minus 2. ये डेरिवेटिव किसका मिल रहा है आप लोगों को? 1 by y is nothing but what? y raised to minus 1. तो y raised to minus 1 का आप लोगों को डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है. तो y raised to minus 1 का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? -1 into y raised to minus 2. मतलब क्या होगा? 1 by y square. And this is derivative of index, not taken derivative of base. And what is the derivative of y with respect to x? It is dy by dx. Kasnar, it is dy by dx is there. Yes. Now here in both these sides, there are terms of dy by dx. You collect there to LHS. म्हणजेच काय करायचं? LHS ला कलेक्ट करायचं. So dy by dx plus 1 upon y square into dy by dx. That is equals to काय मिळणार? 3x square. dy by dx कॉमन होता है ना? So 1 plus 1 by y square into dy by dx. That is equals to 3x square. असा भेटेल. You take their LCM. What is their LCM? So y square into 1 y square. So y square plus 1 means 1 plus y square upon y square. 1 plus y square upon y square into dy by dx. That is equals to 3x square. That is equals to 3x square. Okay. So their value of dy by dx is what? Just you shift their terms from LHS to RHS. NR and DR will interchange after shifting their terms from LHS to RHS. मतलब NR क्या होता है? न्यूमरेटर ये डिनोमिनेटर होता है और डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में शिफ्ट होगा. So 3x square का असणार सांगा 3x square y square upon, yes, 1 plus y square is there. And this is value of dy by dx. ये क्या होता है? करेक्ट सॉल्यूशन होता है या करेक्ट ऑप्शन होता है इसी डिफरेंस के लिए. सो देन dy by dx is what? 3x square y square upon 1 plus y square. तो ये करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. ओके. Now you come in there next. So we'll see here the next example. If y is equal to sine of log x, if y is equal to sine of log x, then किसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है आप लोगों को? एक्स स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर वाई बाय डी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स डी वाई बाई डी एक्स प्लस एक्स डी वाई बाई डी एक्स प्लस वाई इज, मतलब इसी डिफरेंशियल की आप लोगों को वैल्यू चाहिए. एंड हाउ टू गेट देयर वैल्यू ऑफ डिफरेंशियल? दिस विल ऑब्टेन बाय यूजिंग, yes, the derivative means here in this differential or sum of their differential, which one is higher, highest power term d square y by dx square. तो आप लोगों को ये y कितनी बार उसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है? 2 बार. मीन्स टू फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दैट फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव dy by dx. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन क्या होता है? देर इज नॉट कंपोजिट फंक्शन, दैट इज फंक्शन ऑफ फंक्शन. तो साइन का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? cos ऑफ log of x. ये डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन मिला. एंड व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log? वन मोर फंक्शन इज देयर एंड दिस इज इन कंबाइंड फॉर्म. सो log का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 1 बाय x. एंड नेक्स्ट टू फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x, इट इज 1. So once again, you know, here in this case, there is x in place of denominator and it is multiple with cos of log x in the form of 1 by x. Okay, तो x left में आप shift कर सकते. So this will get in the form x into dy by dx, that is equals to cos of log of x. Cos of log of x is there. Now, once again, you find the differential because here in this sum, there is not highest order derivative as d square y by dx square. So, need to find this next derivative, that is second derivative of that whole expression. Now, there in LHS, x is function of x and dy by dx is also function of x. So, means to apply their product law in differential. तो पहला फंक्शन कीप एज इट इज, मतलब x. सेकंड का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? डी स्क्वायर वाई बाय dx square plus first term keep as it is into derivative of second plus second keep as it is into derivative of first. Derivative of x क्या होता है? 1. What is derivative of cos? You come in there RHS. And what is the derivative of cos? Minus sine of log of x. और log का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 1 by x is there. हो रहा है ना? So 1 by x is scalar multiple to that whole function. So we can shift, or there is possible to shift the term of x to RHS. LHS. And when you shift that term of x to LHS, it means that this will multiply to every term of LHS. So x into x क्या होगा? x square होता है. So x square into d square y by dx square. Plus, again you multiply this by x. So x into dy by dx. That is equals to minus sine of log x means what? It is nothing but y. Okay? Is sine of log x मतलब क्या होता है? y होता है. So minus y is there. And what they have to find their value of sum of their differential terms. So shift their term of minus y to LHS. So it takes the form x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y, that is equals to 0. So what is value of their sum of differential? Their value of sum will be 0. ये 0 एक correct option असेल. हा काय असेल? Correct option असेल. Otherwise, if you are substituting their values of different kinds of differential like d square y by dx square, ये वैल्यू अगर आप यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर रहे, सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे dy by dx की और y की, तो सभी का सम क्या होता है? 0 होता है. So it means that there are, we can get their value of that sum naturally by exchanging their terms. म्हणजे या सम ऑफ डिफरेंशियलची व्हॅल्यू काय असेल? 0. तो ये आप लोगों को 0 वैल्यू मिल रहे हैं. दिस विल बी ए करेक्ट ऑप्शन. बराबर. तो यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट देयर करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम देयर 4 more options. Okay, see there next. So then in next example, need to find their degree and order, and this is most important part before discussing their topic of differential. So here in topic of differential, first of all, everyone should know how to get their degree and order of differential equation. Order and degree of differential equation is, okay, d square y by dx square is equals to y plus d cube y by dx cube raised to 3 and raised to 1 by 5. So this was differential, और इसी differential के आप लोगों को क्या फाइंड करना है, ऑर्डर और डिग्री. So order of differential, how you define their order and degree? So order of differential is order of highest derivative, and degree of differential equation is degree of highest derivative. Okay. तो आप लोगों को यहाँ पे पावर 1/5 होता है. So remove that power 1/5 there from RHS, and how you remove that power? Taking fifth power on both the sides. अगर दोनों तरफ आप fifth power ले रहे हैं, it means that you will get their plane equation. So how to get that plane equation? Taking fifth power on both the sides. म्हणजेच काय असेल सांगा? d square y by dx square raised to 5. That is equals to y plus d cube y by dx cube. Okay. Raised to काय असणार? Raised to 3 is there. Okay. Now here in this differential, which is that highest order. So order of differential equation is order of highest derivative. So highest derivative क्या होता है? d square होता है, d cube होता है. So order of differential equation is 3 ना? So order of differential equation is 3. And what about their degree? Degree of differential equation is degree of highest derivative. So ये highest derivative होती है, उसकी power, that is called degree. Power is nothing but degree. So degree and order are same. So which is that correct option? 3,3. 3,3 ये क्या होता है? Correct option होता है. That is called order and degree. So are you clear? They are order and degree. So order of differential equation is order of highest derivative, and degree of differential equation is degree of highest derivative. ये मिलेगा आप लोगों को. Okay. So here the next, they are to find the value of function. They are to find the value of function. If f dash of x. So here in differential calculus, this is what major part or major topic here in differential. So f dash of x is 2 minus 5 upon x raised to 4, and f of 1 is 14 by 3. Then f of minus 1 is equals to, आप लोगों को f of minus 1 की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी. f of 1 is already given. This is 14 by 3. Okay. So f dash of x is given. F dash of x as well as f of 1 is given. So f of 1 means what? Value of function at x is 1. असं असतं ते. तो ये value of function, and you already know how to get their value of function in their topic of function. बराबर है ना? फंक्शन का जो टॉपिक था वहां पे आप लोगों ने ये स्टडी किया है कि फंक्शन की वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड करना. अगर यहाँ पे f dash of x है तो how to get their function of x? So applying their concept of integration, and integration is s is opposite of differential, means what? Anti-differential is integration, means what? Taking integration on both the sides. So integration of f dash of x with respect to x, that is equals to integration of 2 minus 5 upon x raised to 4 into dx plus c, where c is constant of integration. So we have taken there one of the value of constant. Why? Hmm? Because we applied their integration how many times? One time. So constant of integration should be 1. तो यहाँ पे 1 constant of integration होना चाहिए. So integration of differential means what? Get original function. F dash of x का meaning क्या होता है? D by dx of function of x. So they will cancel, get function of x only. इथे काय मिळणार? Function of x मिळेल. F of x is. Now next, there is what? Integration of subtraction is nothing but subtraction of their integration. So it means that to find their integration of every terms individually. तो integration of 2 नहीं फाइंड कर सकते, so 2 keep as it is into integration of dx क्या होगा? 2x होता है माइनस 5 into 1 by x raised to 4 means what? x raised to minus 4 होता है and x raised to minus 4 का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? So their integration of x raised to minus 4 is nothing but to find their integration of x raised to n. So their integration will be x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. म्हणजे x raised to 4 चं इंटिग्रेशन काय असेल? x raised to minus 3 upon minus 3 ये मिलेगा प्लस c असं असेल. So f of x is 2x माइनस और a माइनस क्या होगा? प्लस 5 अपॉन 3x क्यूब प्लस c प्लस काय असेल? c असेल. So f of 1 is given means value of function at x is given. x is equals to 1 is given. तो यहाँ पे x is equals to 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना. तो f of 1 क्या मिलेगा देखो? So what is f of 1? f of 1 is equals to x की वैल्यू 1 मतलब 2 2 plus 5 by 3 plus c is there. 5 by 3 means what? Their sum is what? 11 by 3. So 11 by 3 plus c is there. 11 by 3 plus c and there in LHS. So what is that value? There will be, yes, f of 1 का value दिया है, that is what? 14 by 3. And after simplifying, you will get the value of c. And which value of c is there? 14 minus 11 upon 3. 14 minus 11, 3. 3 upon 3, it is 1. मतलब c का value 1 मिलेगा. And put this value of c wherein the function of x. So this what equation number 1. अगर आप define कर रहे हैं. So f of 1 मतलब यहाँ पे क्या करना? x की जगह 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना. So f of minus 1 की वैल्यू चाहिए. So c की वैल्यू पहले 1 पुट करना and then you substitute there x is minus 1. So f of x is equals to काय मिळणार सांगा? f of x is 2x plus 5 upon 3 into x x cube plus c का वैल्यू क्या होता है? 1 होता है. Now next to find their f of minus 1. So it means that we have got their function which is free from constant of integration. This is possible under the condition f of 1 is equals to 14 by 3. तो c का वैल्यू आप फाइंड कर रहे हैं. अगर c का वैल्यू मतलब फंक्शन ऑफ वैल्यू नहीं दिए, उसी केस में कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन की वैल्यू क्या करना? 0 लेना. ओके. सो f ऑफ -1 आता काय करायची? x च्या ठिकाणी -1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करा. सो 2 into -1 -2. ओके. देन यस 5 x की वैल्यू क्या होती है? -1 क्यूब मीन्स माइनस ना, -5 by 3 इज देयर प्लस 1. सो f ऑफ -1 की वैल्यू आप लोगों को फाइंड करनी है. सो 3 into 2 -2 plus 1 -1. -1 means -3 -5 that is -8 by 3. याची सम काय असणार? -8 by 3 असेल. सो f ऑफ -1 की वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी आप लोगों को? -8 by 3. सो -8 by 3 is the correct option. -8 by 3 is the correct option. ओके. तो इसी वे से आप लोगों को क्या करनी है? फंक्शन की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. व्हेन वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन is given, so in that case from their value we can get their constant of integration, that is c, and when you substitute their value of c in equation 1, so their equation 1 will be free from their constant of integration, and once you get, then you substitute their x is -1. Okay, so minus 8 by 3 is the correct value. Hmm? Here in example, here in the here in that example. Okay, so the next, thereon, yes, irrational functions like, so if root of x upon y plus root of y upon x, that is equals to 4, then dy by x, then dy by dx is equals to, इनकी वैल्यू आप लोगों को फाइंड करनी है. So how to get that dy by dx? Actually, given function is irrational. You have to convert there to linear form. And how to get their linear form? Just squaring and simplifying. अगर इनका आप square कर रहे हैं, so after taking their square, which terms will be there in LHS? अगर आप square करें, a plus b square, मतलब क्या होगा? A square plus b square. A square means or root square, it is x by y. Plus root of y by x square means what? Y by x. Plus twice into product of first second. So there will be 2 only. That is equals to 4. क्या मिलेगा आप लोगों को? That is equals to 4. It means that we have got there the equation which is free from root. So when their equations in in their roots, it means that their equation is in rational form. हो रहा है ना? So आप लोगों को ये equation linear form में convert करना. तो ये आप लोगों को कैसे मिला है? We will get this by taking square on both the sides. मतलब RHS में भी क्या मिलेगा? 14 square, that is 4 square, that is what? 16. यहाँ पे एलसीएम लेंगे तो क्या होगा? x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus 2xy, that is equals to 16xy, that is equals to क्या मिलणार? 16xy. After taking their LCM, you will get their terms in linear form. So x square plus, take cross multiplication, x square plus y square plus, यहाँ पे 2 होता है, multiply divide through this by xy, so 2xy. So whole out denominator xy, shift that to RHS, that is 16xy is there. तो क्या मिलेगा आप लोगों को? x square plus y square, that is equals to 16xy minus 2xy, that is 14xy. And we have got here the simple equation. Okay, and for that linear equation need to find their differential. So plane equation is there, it's not a linear, this is what quadratic equation. Now applying their differential. So when you are evaluating the differential on both the sides, x square का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 2x होता है, प्लस y स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? 2y into 2y, it's a derivative of power, not taken their differential of base. So what is the derivative of base? क्या मिलेगा? dy by dx, that is equals to, so there is a product of 2 more functions. 16xy is there, all right? So 14xy is there. So here in this product, applying their product law in differential, so 14 keep as it is, 14x keep as it is, into derivative of y, it is dy by dx. Here, in this case, you collect the term of dy by dx to LHS and remaining term collect to RHS. So 2y into dy by dx, and when you shift that terms to LHS, get there minus 4x 14x into dy by dx. So between them dy by dx common है, तो दोनों में dy by dx अगर common होता है तो बाहर लेना. So 2y minus 14x into dy by dx असं लिहावं लागेल. That is equals to 14y minus 2x. Now here in both these sides, we will get the scalar 2 as a multiple to their factors. यहाँ पे भी 2 कॉमन होता है, यहाँ पे भी 2 कॉमन होता है, तो कैंसलिंग 2 ऑन बोथ दी साइड्स, सो देयर विल रिमेन व्हाट, ओनली y माइनस 7x into dy by dx, that is equals to 7y minus x असं मिळणार तुम्हाला. They ask actually here dy by dx. So what is that dy by dx? dy by dx is shift that their factor y minus 7x to RHS. Get 7y minus x upon काय मिळेल सांगा, y minus 7x. y minus 7x. तो ये क्या होता है, करेक्ट ऑप्शन होता है. So this was the correct option for this differential. So we have studied here various type of examples there on differential. Okay. So we'll see there next point, that is called application of differential. So where we can use or where we can apply their concept of differential. So in their equation of line, equation of normal, equation of tangent. So these type of, yes, their equations we can get by using their concept. Okay. Application. Applications of differential equation. The equation of normal to curve, the equation of normal to curve y is equals to sine of pi by 4 into x at point 2 phi is. So they asked to find their equation of normal to curve. Okay. So curve is given, that is y is equals to sine pi by 4 into x. So first of all, need to find the slope of that tangent. Okay, and tangent and normal, they are perpendicular to each other. So need to find their slope. So what is that slope? It is nothing but force derivative. So let y is equals to sine of pi by 4 into x. What is that force derivative? dy by dx. If you are evaluating their force derivative, that is dy by dx, it is called tangent. And it means that this will slope of that tangent. Sine pi by 4 into x. Sine pi by 4 into x. Okay. So derivative of sine, it is cos. Cos of pi by 4 into x. And once again you find the derivative of pi by 4 into x, it is pi by 4. Okay. Now this is what slope of that tangent, that is first derivative. So we can say it is m. So need to find their m, that is dy by dx at which point? At point 2 phi. Means x is 2 and y is equals to 5. असा असेल. मग x च्या ठिकाणी काय ठेवायचं 2. तो क्या मिलेगा आप लोगों को? Cos of pi by 4 into 2. Pi by 4 into 2 into pi by 4 is there. Okay. So 2 get cancel. And cos pi by 2, you know already. What is that value of cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 क्या होता है? 0 होता है. This is what slope of tangent. This is what slope of tangent. Okay, no doubt. Now what is that slope of normal? Slope of normal will be 0 also. Okay. So when their slope of tangent is 0, slope of normal will be 0. So how to get their equation of normal? At slope m is 0 and 0.25. Yes, this will obtain by using their slope point form. And what is that slope point for? Yes. So see here, the equation of normal with slope m is equals to 0 and 0.25. So what is that equation of normal? Y minus y1 is equals to m times into x minus x1 is there. So y minus y1 means what? Sorry, yes, beta. So this what the equation of tangent. Normal आप कैसे फाइंड करोगे? X minus x1 is equals to m times into y minus y1 is there. So x minus x1 means what? X minus 2. And slope of the normally is 0. So 0. Whole terms become 0. So x is equals to 2. The equation of Kasner normal asset. So equation of normal is x is 2. Yes. So this will be correct option. See there next. Coordinates of point on the curve. Coordinates of a point on the curve y is equals to x sin x, at which the normal is parallel to the line 4x plus 4y, that is equals to 3. So need to find the coordinates of their point on curve. Y is equals to x sin x. Y is equals to x sin x. Okay. So initially you find their slope of that tangent. That is what dy by dx. Tangent to curve, it is nothing but dy by dx. So let y is equals to x sin x. What is the dy by dx? Dy by dx, it is slope of that tangent. So x into derivative of sine, it is cos x, and plus need to apply the product law in differential. Cos x will, and sin x into derivative of x, it is 1. So is क्या होता है? So this was slope of tangent. How to get the slope of normal? Slope of normal आप लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? Product of their slopes will be -1. So product of slopes for their tangent and normal is -1. Means slope of, ये क्या होता है? Slope of tangent है. Slope of normal मतलब क्या होगा? It is nothing but -1 divided by slope of tangent. That is equals to -1 divided by, क्या मिलेगा आप लोगों को? x into cos of x plus sin x मिलेगा. हो रहा है ना? One more is that slope of line. So line is given. Slope of line. What is slope of line? Yes, ये slope दिए. Slope of line. So 4x plus 4y, that is equals to 3. Slope of line. So line is what? Their equation of line is 4x plus 4y, that is equals to 3. You have to express there in terms of, there in y in terms of x. So 4y is equals to minus 4x plus 3. Okay. So y is what? Dividing 4 on both these sides. So minus x plus -1 into x plus 3 upon 4. What is that slope? Slope is -1. Slope is -1. So, you know here, normal is parallel to this line. parallel to this line. So normal is parallel to their line 4x plus 4y, that is equals to 3. So already you know their slope of normal. So what is their slope of normal? It is minus 1. Wait. Minus 1 upon x cos x plus sin x. And slope of y is minus 1 into x plus 3 by 4. This was slope of tangent. And slope of normal क्या होगा? Minus 1 होता है. Because yes, you know their product is minus 1. So this line is parallel to normal. Parallel to normal. So it means that their slopes will be equal. Na? So what is slope of their line? Slope of their line is minus 1. Slope का असणार? Slope is minus 1. And minus 1 is parallel to their slope of normal because they are on same direction. They are parallel to each other. So normal and their lines, they are parallel to each other. It means that their slopes will be equal. बरोबर आहे ना? दोन्हीचा slopes equal असेल. म्हणजे slope of normal is minus 1 divided by that is equals to minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 divided by x times into cos of x plus sin x, that is equals to minus 1. So minus 1, ये slope कौन से line का है? 4x plus 4y is 3. So this line is parallel to normal. And already you know the slope of their curve. What is slope of their curve? Slope of normals to their curve. Slope of normals to this curve is minus 1 upon x cos x plus sin x. And when they are in parallel direction or they are parallel to each other, means slopes will be equal. That is minus 1 divided by x cos x plus sin x, that is equals to minus 1. समजलं का? स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल या कर्वसाठी आपण फाइंड केला आणि स्लोप ऑफ यस लाइन कोणत्या कर्वसाठी फाइंड केला? या. ये दोनों स्लोप्स क्या होंगे? इक्वल होते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज ये नॉर्मल और लाइन दे आर पैरेलल. बरोबर है ना? दे आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. तो यहाँ पे माइनस माइनस कैंसिल होगा. देयर विल रिमेन 1 ओनली. सो x cos x plus sin x, that is equals to काय होईल? 1 होईल. That is equals to 1. And this equation will satisfied from which value of x? X is equals to pi by 2. बघा pi by 2 जर सबस्टिट्यूट केला इकडे तर तुम्हाला 1 मिळेल. So x is pi by 2. X is pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 0 होता है. 0 into pi by 2 it is 0 plus sin pi by 2 काय होईल? 1. And that is equals to 1 ना? Means this expression will satisfied by substituting x is pi by 2. हा x is काय असेल? pi by 2. अगर x is pi by 2 मिला है, so what they asked to find their coordinates of point on their curve. But in this case, we have got their abscissa, that is x coordinate. आप लोगों को x coordinate मिला है, y coordinate आप कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? तो इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व में क्या करना? x is pi by 2 सबस्टिट्यूट करना. So what is that equation of curve? काय असेल सांगा? y is equals to x sin x. बरोबर आहे ना? मग x साठी काय ठेवायचा? pi by 2. So x is pi by 2 into sin of pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 काय मिळतो? 1 मिळतो. So x मिला है, y मिला है. So they are coordinates of their points. So what is that abscissa? It is pi by 2. Ordinate is what? Pi by 2. So pi by 2 is the point on their curve y is equals to x sin x. Is the point. Alright. So find the point which lies on that curve y is equals to x sin x. But conditions are given. So which condition is given? The condition is that normal is parallel to line. Means slopes will be equal for their normal as well as their line. So normal का आप लोगों को slopes कैसे find करना है? So slope of normal is nothing but minus 1 upon slope of tangent, because slope of tangent and normal their product will be minus 1. मतलब आप लोगों को पहले tangent find करना. So it is dy by x. That is called slope of tangent. Slope of tangent मिला है तो slope of normal is 1 by minus 1 by slope of tangent. बराबर है ना? And when their normal is parallel to line, तो लाइन का स्लोप क्या होता है? -1. इट इज नथिंग बट स्लोप ऑफ, यस, इट इज स्लोप ऑफ लाइन. अगर स्लोप ऑफ लाइन -1 हो रहा है एंड स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल क्या होता है? -1 by x cos of x plus sin x. So normal and line they are parallel, means what? Their slopes will be equal. Okay, so -1 by x cos x plus sin x, that is -1. असं फाइंड करावं लागेल. आणि x च्या ठिकाणी this equation will satisfied by substituting x is pi by 2. अगर आप x is pi by 2 substitute करें, instead of that you go by trial and error method to find their value of x. बराबर है ना? x is 0 पुट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 0 से satisfy होता है 0, sin 0 0, लेकिन यहाँ पे 1 मिलना चाहिए. x is pi by 2 पुट करेंगे तो क्या मिलता है? This equation will satisfied. cos pi by 2 0, sin pi by 2 1, मतलब 1 is 1. This will satisfied by substituting x is equals to काय असेल? pi by 2 असेल. And once you get their x is pi by 2, that is abscissa, we can get their ordinate by, yes, their equation of curve. So y is x sin x, और इसी इक्वेशन में काय करायची आहे? x ची व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करायची. आणि when you substitute their value of x is pi by 2, sin pi by 2 काय असणार? 1 असेल. Means what? X is pi by 2, so y is pi by 2 and x is pi by 2. So pi by 2 are the coordinates of point on their curve y is equals to sin x. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन ये होते हैं. हा करेक्ट ऑप्शन असेल. So next application of their differential is that to find their maximum and minimum values of function. Next application काय असेल बघ? Maximum and minimum values of function. Maxima and minima and maximum and minimum values for the function f of x is equals to 4x cube minus 6x square. On their point -1 to r. मतलब मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम वैल्यूज फॉर देयर फंक्शन आर टू बी डिटरमाइंड. ये आप लोगों को फाइंड आउट करनी है. कैसे फाइंड करनी है? सो दिस इज पॉसिबल बाय यूजिंग देयर कंसेप्ट ऑफ डिफरेंशियल. मतलब ये एप्लीकेशन होते हैं. दिस व्हाट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल. सो बाय देयर डिफरेंशियल हाउ टू गेट देयर मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन. ये फंक्शन है तो पहले आप लोगों को उसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है and equate that derivative to 0, solving them for x, and further we take their second order derivatives for satisfying the condition to define their nature of function, whether function is maximum or minimum. बराबर है. पहले तो आप लोगों को फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना. f dash of x क्या मिलेगा आप लोगों को? f dash of x is 4 into 3, that is 12x square minus 12x. And what is that second order derivative? F double dash of x काय असणार सांगा रे? 24x is there. Equate this to 0. So f dash of x अगर आप equate 0 के साथ कर रहे हैं तो so what will be there? 12x square minus 12x, that is 0. So it means that 12x is common. So they remain x minus 1, that is 0. तो आप लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? x is 0 मिलेगा और x is 1 मिलेगा. और इसी दोनों वैल्यू के लिए वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन फाइंड करनी है, वेदर इट इज मैक्सिमम या मिनिमम. ये मैक्सिमम या मिनिमम वैल्यू आप कैसे फाइंड करोगे? सो यू नो व्हेन यू सब्स्टिट्यूट देयर x is 0. पहले देखो x is 0. f double dash of x. So we have two more values. Yes, what are the two more values? You know, f dash of x is 12x square minus 12x. F double dash of x means what? The derivative of x square is 2x means what? 24x, and derivative of x it is 1 means minus 12 is there. Not 24x only. So f double dash of 0. Double dash मतलब second derivative होते हैं. x ची जर व्हॅल्यू 0 ठेवली तर काय मिळणार? -12 मिळणार. And -12 it is less than 0 ना. So value of function is when their double derivative at x is at their value of x is negative, that is less than 0, value of function is maximum. Correct? Na? Value of function is maximum. So f of x at x is 0. This is maximum value of function. Correct? Na? That is equal to f of x at x is 0. X is 0 ठेवल्यानंतर काय मिळणार? It is 0. So 0 is maximum value of function. Now when you substitute there x is 1, so what is that value of f double dash of 1? काय मिळणार सांगा? x की जगह 1 पुट करना है तो 24 minus 12 असं मिळणार तुम्हाला. 24 minus 12, that is equals to 12, and 12 is greater than 0. So when their value of second order differential at their value of x is positive, that is greater than 0, value of function is minimum. तो ये value क्या होती है? This is maximum. Value of function is maximum and their value of function is minimum. At which value of x is 1. So f of x at x is equals to cancel 1. So when you substitute there x is 1, where in function x is 1 ठेवा, म्हणजेच काय मिळेल? x is 1. What is that x is 1? x is 1 क्या मिलना? f of x क्या होता है रे? 4x क्यूब माइनस 6x स्क्वायर. सो x is 0 अगर आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो 0 माइनस 0 है, मतलब यहाँ पे 0 होगा. आणि f of x at x is 1 काय मिळणार? 4 minus 6 ना, that is equals to minus 2. Minus 2. And this is what minimum value. Minimum value of function. So what is that correct? Option, maximum and minimum values for their function is काय असणार सांगा? 0 and minus 2. 0 is value of function. 0 is maximum value of function at x is 0. And minus 2 is minimum value of function at x is 1. So in this question, they asked to find their maximum value of function first, and then secondly, minimum value of function. So first value of function should be maximum and second should be minimum. तो मिल रहे हैं ना? So 0 minus 2 ये क्या होता है? Correct option होता है. हाँ, correct option असेल. So this is what one of the application of differential. Okay. So we get their maximum and minimum values for their function by using their concept of differential. It means that this is application of differential. Okay. So the next application of differential is that to find the value of interval for which function is increasing or decreasing. For which interval? Yes. For which interval the given function f of x is equals to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 7 is increasing. So it means that for which interval their given function is increasing. So function is increasing at which value of interval? So that interval is to be determined. Okay. So their interval we can get by using their concept of differential. So write their function first. पहले आप लोगों को function लिखना है. So let f of x. तो उसका derivative find करना. F dash of x. What is f dash of x? So function is increasing only at their first derivative should be positive. So f dash of x मतलब ये derivative लेना. 3 into 2 क्या होगा रे 6x square minus the root of x square it is 2x means what 18x plus 12 plus 12. Okay. So what is that condition to get their increasing function? So function is increasing at which their first derivative should be positive. फंक्शन इन्क्रीजिंग कधी असू शकतं तर त्याचं फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय असलं पाहिजे ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असलं पाहिजे. सपोज इट इज लेस दॅन 0 फंक्शन इज डिक्रीजिंग बरोबर आहे ना. तो एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0 ये लेना है आप लोगों को. इट इज वॉट इट शुड बी ग्रेटर दॅन 0. अगर ये आप ग्रेटर दॅन 0 लेंगे तो इसमें से आप लोगों को विल गेट देयर वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स एंड देयर वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स वी हैव टू राइट देयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंटरवल्स. सो 6 इसमें से कॉमन लेंगे. आप ले रहे तो क्या मिलेगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x plus 2 and greater than 0. So what are the factors for this polynomial? X minus 1 and x minus 2. Now for which value of x their first factor should be positive? First factor positive हो सकता है. Their values of x should be less than 1. 1 से small होना चाहिए. And their values of x should be less than 1. It means that it will be from minus infinity to 1. तो पहले इंटरवल के लिए पहले फैक्टर के लिए x के वैल्यू कौन से होना चाहिए माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 1 होना चाहिए बरोबर आहे ना. हा फॅक्टर पॉझिटिव्ह होण्यासाठी x च्या कोणत्या व्हॅल्यूज असल्या पाहिजे माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 1 पण. यस नॉट क्लोज इंटरवल दिस व्हाट ओपन इंटरवल. ये ओपन इंटरवल मतलब क्या होता है x विल एक्सक्लूड देयर वैल्यूज माइनस इन्फिनिटी 1 and will take their values which lies in between minus infinity to 1. आता आपण हा मायनस इन्फिनिटी 1 कसा घेतला बघा. 1 पेक्षा स्मॉल व्हॅल्यूज कुठे असणार लेफ्ट साइडला. सो दे आर फ्रॉम मायनस इन्फिनिटी अप टू 1 ना. सो बट फ्रॉम दिस इंटरवल x will takes their values which lies in there in between which takes their values which lies in between minus infinity to 1. But it will not take their minus infinity and 1. Hence what I have written here open interval not close. सेकंड के लिए क्या होता है देखो. सेकंड में अगर x माइनस टू ये फैक्टर पॉजिटिव होना है तो x के कौन से वैल्यू लेगा. x विल टेक्स देयर वैल्यूज फ्रॉम कुठून कुठं असणार सांगा 2 से इन्फिनिटी तक. लेकिन 2 लेगा नहीं लेगा. यस x विल टेक्स देयर वैल्यूज व्हिच आर बिगर देन दैट ऑफ 2 and less than that of yes infinity. So which lies in between 2 and infinity, but it will not take there 2 and infinity. So what are the intervals for which their given function is increasing minus infinity and 1 and 2 and infinity. These two are intervals बरोबर ना. हे दोन इंटरवल असतील and these two are open interval not a close interval. बघा minus infinity 1 हा एक इंटरवल असेल and 2 infinity हा दूसरा इंटरवल असेल बरोबर है ना. ये दोनों इंटरवल क्या हो सकते हैं. दोनों इंटरवल से वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन क्या होती है इंक्रीज होती है राइट. सो for which interval their value of function is increasing this two interval. So minus infinity 1 and then 2 to infinity. So this is one more application of their differential to get their value of interval for which their function is increasing. right. Function decreasing कब हो सकता है. Their first derivative should be क्या होना चाहिए less than 0. First derivative should be less than 0. तो ये क्या होते हैं एप्लीकेशन से. So these are the variety of applications in their differential. Okay. See here the next application. They're on differential. Okay. Two curves find angle at which the two curves x square minus 3x y square plus 3. So sorry, x cube minus not x square 3x y square plus 3 is 0. और सेकंड कर्व कौन सा होता है 3x square y minus y cube minus 3 that is equals to 0. That is equals to 0. Intersect intersects. Okay. So it means that these two curves will intersect at which angle? That angle is to be determined. हो रहा है ना? वो एंगल आप लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. वो एंगल आप लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके. इंटरसेक्ट मीन्स व्हाट? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्लोप्स लेना है. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्लोप शुड बी क्या होना चाहिए? माइनस होना चाहिए. एंड व्हेन दे intersect at an angle 90, so 90 will be angle. Okay. So need to find their slopes of these two products, and slopes will be obtained by taking their first derivative. So pahila you take here the equation of curves one by one, and then to find their slopes. Let slope of first curves, and how to get the slope of curves? First curves differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. So unka differential kya hoga? Yes, what is the derivative? 3x square. 3x square minus, there is what product function. So first function keep as it is into derivative of second. Matlab 3 into minus 3x into derivative of y square. It is 2y into dy by dx. Okay. Plus y square into derivative of minus 3x. It is minus 3. Constant का derivative 0. That is equals to 0. Will you find their value of dy by dx? So you collect there the terms which are not having the term of dy by dx. That is what 3x square. Yes. 3x square minus 3y square. So 3 is common to both. 3 times into x square minus y square minus 3 into 2, 6x. 6xy into dy by dx. That is equals to 0. And what is slope of first curve? That is m1 is equals to dy by dx. And what is the dy by dx? ये right में shift करना या ये left में shift करना. Yes. When you shift there to right, get there 6xy and dy by dx, and after that you interchange their sides. And when you interchange their sides, we'll get there, yes, 6xy. So 3 times into x square minus y square upon 6xy. So 3 and this 3 2s are 6. They get cancelled. There remain 2xy. So x square minus y square upon 2xy is slope of their first curve. In similar way, to find their slope of second curve. How to get their slope of second curve? Taking derivative. So here in first, there is product of two more functions. So applying their product law in differential. So 3x square keep as it is into derivative of y, it is dy by dx plus y into derivative of 3x square ka derivative 2x means what 6xy minus 3y square into derivative of y, it is dy by dx. Constant का डेरिवेटिव 0, that is equals to 0 मिलता. You collect the term of dy by dx. So 3 is common to both, take it outside. So 3 times into x square minus y square into dy by dx. That is equals to क्या होना रे? Yes, 6xy. That their term of 6xy shift to RHS. Get there minus क्या होना 6xy. ऐसी term आप लोगों को मिल. So 3 and 3 2s are 6. There remain 2 only. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ dy by dx क्या मिलेगा? dy by dx is -2xy upon x square minus y square. X square minus y square. So what is this? What slope of second curve? M2. What is product of their slopes? M1, M2, M2. That is what? X square minus y square upon 2xy into minus 2xy upon, yes, x square minus y square. असा मिळेल तुम्हाला. X square minus y square, x square minus means their factor will cancel. And 2xy means what? They get cancelled. They remain -1. And when their product of slopes is -1, it means that ये दोनों कर कौन से एंगल में इंटरसेक्ट हो रहे हैं? एंगल ऑफ 90. Yes. So it means that these two curve will cuts at an right angle, that is 90. Correct? They cuts at a right angle, that is theta is equals to 90. मग करेक्ट ऑप्शन काय असणार सांगा रे? अँगल 90. Correct? So these two curve will intersect at an angle of 90. How we are getting? This is possible by, yes, this is possible by, yes, concept of differential. It is one of the application of differential. Okay. The equation of, see here the next example. This will application of their differential. The equation of tangent to curve. The equation of tangent to curve. The equation of tangent to curve. Y is equals to b into e raised to minus x upon e. ये इक्वेशन ऑफ कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए आप लोगों को टेंजेंट फाइंड करना है. एट विच पॉइंट? एट द पॉइंट it crosses the x axis. It crosses the y axis is. So to find their equation of tangent to this curve at a point, but it crosses the y axis. मतलब y axis को intersect हो रहा है. It means to y axis at which point? Yes. So you know y is equals to, what is that equation of curve? Y is equals to, yes, okay. Equation of curve का असेल y is equals to b into e raised to minus x upon e. When it crosses the y axis, it means that their value of x is 0. y axis को अगर क्रॉस कर रहे या इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे, मीट हो रहे, तो x की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 0 होती है. So when their x is 0, what is that value of y? Y की वैल्यू क्या हो रही है? x is 0, e raised to minus 0, it is 1, means get there y is equals to b. Means at which point this curve will intersect to y axis? 0 b. 0 b इसी पॉइंट के लिए ये कर्व क्या होता है? y एक्सिस को इंटरसेक्ट होता है. ओके. नाउ देन टू फाइंड here the slope of that tangent, and how to get the slope of that tangent at point 0b, need to find their first derivative. So what is that first derivative? dy by dx. आप लोगों को पॉइंट मिला है तो स्लोप भी फाइंड करना. So dy by dx is what? b into derivative of exponential b itself, so e raised to minus x upon a. And next to find the derivative of index with respect to x. म्हणजेच काय असणार सांगा? Yes, -1 upon e is there. -1 upon. Okay. But to find देयर वैल्यू ऑफ स्लोप एट विच पॉइंट 0b, इसी पॉइंट के लिए आप लोगों को फाइंड करना. सो dy बाय dx ॲट 0b म्हणजेच काय मिळेल रे, एक्सच्या ठिकाणी 0, सो e रेज टू मायनस 0 1 एंड b इंटू माइनस 1/e मीन्स माइनस b/e. सो माइनस b/e क्या होता है, स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट होता है. सो स्लोप मिला है, ये पॉइंट मिला है. इट मीन्स दैट tangent is nothing but line with slopes minus b/e and passing through the point 0b. So if you know their one point and their slope of line, so the equation of line will be obtained by using their one point form. So what is that one point form? Yes, equation of tangent. Wait, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent with slope. Slope काय असणार सांगा रे, minus b/e, and it passes through the point 0b. So slope and point are known to you. So how to get the equation of line? That is equation of tangent. That is y minus y1 is equals to m times into x minus x1 is there. Okay. So y1 काय असणार? Slope of, yes, y1 means what? It is y coordinates, that is b, from that point. So y minus b. Okay. Slope is minus b/e into x minus x1. So x coordinates is or what? 0. So y minus b, that is equals to minus bx upon a. Upon e is there. Okay. So here, how to write there in simple form or simple equation of line to their tangent, dividing throughout on both the sides by b. b से अगर आप divide करें और interchange their terms. When you exchanging their terms, so what we are getting, y is equals to e term minus b by x shift to LHS, get plus. So plus bx upon a, and that is equals to काय असेल, b असेल. So how to make that equation in simple form? Dividing b on both the sides. दोनों तरफ अगर आप b से डिवाइड करें तो क्या मिलेगा? yes, b ने डिवाइड केल्यानंतर काय मिळेल, y upon b plus x upon a, that is equals to 1. So what is that equation of tangent? X by a plus y by b, that is equals to 1. Wait, x by a plus y by b, that is equals to 1. ही काय मिळणार? इक्वेशन ऑफ टँजंट मिळेल. बरोबर. This what equation of tangent. So there next. So now in there next to find equation of normal to curve. Equation of normal to curve. If x plus 4y, that is equals to 14, is normal, yes, is the normal to the curve, not to find their equation of normal, to find their values of constant. Okay, to the curve, y square is equals to m into x cube minus n at point 2, 3. Then value of m plus n is. Then value of m plus n is. मतलब कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी, m plus n is. Okay. Yes. So this is possible by using their differential. So it means that it is one more application of differential. तो पहले तो आप लोगों को tangent फाइंड करना है. So how to get the slope of tangent is taking first derivative. So what is the derivative? Y square का क्या मिलता है? 2y into y का derivative dy by dx. Okay, that is equals to x क्यूब क्या क्या होता है? 3x square, मतलब 3m x square and their value of constant is 0. So dy by dx is 3m x square upon 2y. And this was slope of tangent. How to get the slope of normal? Slope of normal is minus 1 divided by slope of tangent. Means what? Yes, minus 2y upon, yes, 3mx square. This is what slope of normal है ना. ये क्या होता है? स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल होता है. नाउ टू फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल एट विच पॉइंट 23. कौन से पॉइंट के लिए आप लोगों को फाइंड करना है? पॉइंट 23 के लिए स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल फाइंड करना है. मीन्स x is 2 and y is equals to 3. Y is equals to 3 means what? 3 into 2, that is minus 2, that is minus 6. And x square means what? 2 square, that is 4. 4 into 3, 12m. मतलब आप लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? माइनस 1 अपॉन 2m is slope of normal. Slope of normal. Okay. Now also their point 23. Also their point 23. B point lie on their curve. So what is that point 23? ये point 23. कौन से लाइन पे हो रहा है? कौन से कर्व के ऊपर होता है? y square is equals to mx cube minus 3. So point 23 is also on their curve is on their curve y square is equals to mx cube minus n. म्हणजेच काय मिळेल? y square is what? Y means what? 3. 3 square it is 9. X cube means what? 2 cube, that is 8m minus n. 8m minus n. Now x plus 4y is equals to 14 is normal to the curve. Okay. ये normal है ना. So for this normal to find their slope. So x plus 4y, that is equals to 14. What is that slope? Slope of, yes, normal is. कैसा फाइंड करना सांगा? So 4y is equals to minus x plus 14. Okay. So y is what? Y is equals to minus 1 by 4 into x plus 14 is there. What is that slope? Slope is minus 1 by 4. Slope of normal is what? Minus 1 by 4. And what is slope of that curve? Slope of normal to that curve? Yes, it is minus 1 by 2m. They are parallel to each other. Am I right? And when they are parallel, their slope. म्हणजेच काय होणार? minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 2m. Minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 2m. So minus 1 by 2m ये slope किसको होता है? इसी कर्व के लिए. And minus 1 by 4 is slope for this line. Right? And they are parallel. And when they are parallel, their slopes will be equal. So minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 2m. Yes, 2 and this 2 to the 4 get cancel, minus become plus. That is m is equals to 2 only. m ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळणार? 2 मिळणार. नाउ यू नो 9 is equals to n की वैल्यू आप लोगों को फाइंड करना है. सो 9 is equals to 8m minus n मिलता है. हो रहा है ना? तो m की वैल्यू यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. 8 into 2 16. 16 means 9 is equals to 16 minus n. Rearranging their terms, 9 is equals to, yes, n is equals to 16 minus 9. That is 7. That is 7. And once you get their values of m and n, so what is that sum of them? Sum of their m plus n. So what is that sum of m plus n? काय मिळणार सांगा? m plus n is, m काय मिळतो 2 and n काय मिळतो 7. That is equals to 9. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या होता है? 9 ही करेक्ट ऑप्शन होता है. यस, 9 is the correct option. So this is where to find their value of m plus n. So in this case, they are not asked to find their equation of normal, yes, slope of normal, yes, slope of tangent. They ask only here to find the value of sum of their constant, that is m plus n. Sum of कॉन्स्टंटच्या व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला कशा फाइंड करता येईल? तो आप लोगों को पहले क्या करना है, ये दोनों जो लाइन होते हैं x प्लस 4y इज 4, ये लाइन है मतलब कर है, इज नॉर्मल टू कर. Yes, if x plus 4y is equals to 14 is normal to cur y square is equals to m into x cube minus n. तो उसके लिए इसी कर के लिए क्या करना है? स्लोप फाइंड करना. ये स्लोप किसका मिला है? टेंजेंट का मिला है. सो हाउ टू गेट द स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल? यस, इट इज माइनस मीन्स व्हाट? 1 बाय स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट होता है. एंड व्हाट इज minus 1 by slope of tangent? Means minus 1 divided by 3m x square upon 2y. So NRDR will interchange when there is reciprocal. So minus 2y upon 3m x square हा काय असेल? स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल असेल. बट दिस इज स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल एट विच पॉइंट? 2 3. 2 3 इसी पॉइंट के लिए स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल क्या होता है? -1/2m. राइट. नाउ 2 3 इज ऑल्सो पॉइंट लाइज ऑन दैट कर्व. कोणत्या कर्ववरती आहे? वाय स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू एम एक्स क्यूब माइनस है. तो उसमें से आप लोगों को एक इक्वेशन मिलता है. सो हाउ मेनी इक्वेशंस आर रिक्वायर्ड टू गेट द वैल्यूज ऑफ टू मोर हैविंग m and n? दे आर कॉल्ड साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशंस. अगर ये दोनों साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशंस फाइंड आउट करना है तो द नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन आप कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? तो स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल फाइंड करना. दिस इज नॉर्मल है. अगर ये नॉर्मल है तो उसका स्लोप क्या होता है? 4y इज माइनस एक्स प्लस 14 मीन्स y इज -1/, यस, -1/4 इंटू एक्स प्लस 14/4 होता है. ओके, सो -1/4 ये स्लोप किसका होता है? दिस इज स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल. सो वी हैव गॉट देयर स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल्स. सो स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल is what? -1/4, and slope of that curve, slope of normal to this curve is what? -1/2m. It means that their normals are parallel. It yes, when their normals are parallel, their slopes will be equal. So -1/2 is -1/2m. So m is equal to common 2. So this what second equation. ये first equation होता है. When you substitute their value of m is 2 in this equation, get their value of n. So n is 7. And once you get their values of m and n, ह्या जर दोन्ही व्हॅल्यूज मिळाल्या तर त्यांची सम तुम्हाला फाइंड करायची. अँड व्हॉट इज सम ऑफ देम? सम ऑफ देम इज 2 + 7, दैट इज 9. सो 9 क्या होता है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन होता है. यस, आर यू क्लियर? Okay, so we'll stop here at this moment. So any doubt you can share there on group. Okay.